Mastering the Maze, Irregular Adjectives and Adverbs in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're venturing into an interesting area of English grammar: irregular adjectives and adverbs. We'll cover the common ones and show you how to use them effectively in sentences. Before we dive into the examples, let's take a quick look at what irregular adjectives and adverbs are. In English, most adjectives and adverbs have regular forms. For instance, we add "ly" to the adjective quick to get the adverb quickly. However, not all adjectives and adverbs follow this pattern. Some have unique forms, and these are what we call irregular. Now, let's discuss some of the common irregular adjectives and adverbs. A few examples include good, well, fast, hard, and late. Note how their adjective and adverb forms are identical, except good, whose adverb form is well. These are just a few. There are others we'll cover throughout this video. This is where it gets interesting. Now we're going to put these irregular adjectives and adverbs into use. He's a good player, adjective, versus he plays well, adverb. It's a fast car, adjective, versus the car runs fast, adverb. She works hard, adjective and adverb. He's late, adjective, versus he arrived late, adverb. These examples clearly show how the same word can function both as an adjective and an adverb. It's now time to practice. Try making your own sentences using irregular adjectives and adverbs. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use these, the more natural they'll feel. Don't hesitate to pause the video and take your time. And there we have it. You've learned about common irregular adjectives and adverbs in English, and how to use them in sentences. English can sometimes be like a maze, but don't worry. With every lesson, you're finding your way. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a master navigator. See you in our next video.